Hello, I'm Nikki from Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. I'd like to introduce you to this Citroen C3. This car comes with a really useful specification. You've got a CD radio, Bluetooth connectivity for your mobile phone, air conditioning, and you've also got cruise control with a speed limiter. Let's take a quick look around the car. Thank you for watching this video. All of our vehicles come with a multi-point check as well as a minimum 6 months MOT with roadside assistance. Here at Howard's we are happy to tailor your experience depending on your individual requirements, whether that be by using our Howard's Click and Collect service, Howard's Home Delivery, or the traditional appointment in the showroom where we do have all of our social distancing measures in place. We look forward to hearing from you shortly. Thank you very much and have a lovely day.